3D printing has come a long way. Today's printers are faster, easier to use, and far more reliable than ever before. I tested 8 of the most popular 3D printers, comparing setup, print quality, speed, noise, and overall value to find the best options for every budget and skill level. Whether you're a beginner or upgrading your setup, this ranking has you covered. If you enjoy honest, hands-on reviews, subscribe, and let's start the countdown. Starting off at number 8 is the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. This is an SLA machine built for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals alike, and it handles an enormous range of print sizes, from the smallest, most detailed miniatures all the way up to exceptionally large models. The automatic resin handling works almost entirely behind the scenes, so you can get from setup to actual printing quickly and cleanly, without the messy manual resin pouring process older SLA printers are known for. The light source system is remarkably precise too, easily handling calibration files down to the 10-micron level, and the overall build quality genuinely approaches industrial-grade standards. For a sub-$1,000 price tag, you're getting reliability and detail resolution that professionals use for rapid prototyping and short-run manufacturing. If you specifically want resin-level detail without the traditional resin printing hassle, this is one of the best out there. Number 7 is the Formlabs Form 4. This is a production line-ready machine through and through. Leveling and calibration are fully automated. You snap in the resin cartridge and build the platform, hit print, and there's essentially no room to make a setup mistake. The low-force display engine, combined with a genuinely well-designed resin handling and wash and cure workflow, produces parts that are dimensionally accurate in a way that actually matters in the real world. Clear optical pieces you can genuinely see through, snap-fit brackets that actually snap correctly, threads that thread properly, and tolerances that measure exactly like you designed them in CAD. This is best suited for professionals, engineers, and entrepreneurs who value speed, reliability, and precision above all else, and it delivers all three in a genuinely end-to-end workflow. It ranks at 7 mainly because it's a specialized, professional-grade tool rather than a general hobbyist machine, incredible at its specific job, but overkill if you just want to print action figures for your desk. Coming in at number 6 is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, and this is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a genuinely great multicolor printing experience. The A1 Mini comes nearly fully assembled right out of the box, and it was easy and problem-free to set up and operate throughout our testing. What really stands out is the optional add-on module that lets you print with up to 4 different colored filaments at once, making multicolor creations genuinely accessible. And the combo version we tested sells for under $400, making it one of the most affordable 4-color FDM printers on the market right now. Print quality was consistently good, and speed held up well too. If you want a stellar out-of-the-box experience, simple day-to-day operation, and money left over in your budget, this is a fantastic entry point. It ranks at 6, not because anything's wrong with it, but because several machines above it offer more advanced multicolor systems, larger build volumes, or more robust hardware. This is the budget-friendly multicolor pick, not the top-tier one. Number 5 is the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. Back when it launched in 2023, this was one of the first printers to come mostly pre-assembled with clear instructions and features like automatic bed leveling that were genuinely rare at its price point at the time. 3 years later, it still compares favorably on setup time, going from box to finished benchy in about an hour and a half, only a little behind the newer, fully enclosed single-color printers on this list. I still use mine regularly, especially for TPU and other flexible filaments, because its open frame design manages heat well and avoids the sticky, stringy mess that flexible filaments can cause in hotter enclosed printers. There's no camera for remote monitoring, no automated error detection, and no advanced calibration like input shaping, meaning you're hand-tuning settings yourself. If you like tinkering and want an affordable, durable, still capable workhorse, it remains a great choice. Just know you're trading modern conveniences for that lower price and open frame reliability. Number 4 is the SnapMaker U1. The standout feature here is automated toolhead changing. The U1 docks and undocks 4 separate toolheads on its own, bringing a level of professional-style tool changing to a price point that historically hasn't had access to that kind of tech. And it's not just a gimmick, it works incredibly well in practice, meaningfully reducing both waste and print time compared to single-nozzle multicolor systems. Material support is genuinely broad too. In our testing, it handled PLA and TPU with ease and even ran ABS without drama, which pushes its usefulness beyond decorative prints into actual functional parts. If you buy SnapMaker's own filament, embedded RFID chips automatically tell the software what's loaded, so it shows up correctly in the slicer without manual input. Despite all these advanced features, guided setup and automated calibration keep it approachable, even for ambitious beginners, not just seasoned tinkerers. For multicolor printing specifically, this is one of the most complete, forward-looking packages on the market right now. Number 3 is the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. It's fast, it's affordable, and it doesn't have a lot of the premium bells and whistles of the pricier machines on this list. But it delivers outstanding value and makes a genuinely great entry point into the hobby. The setup speed is the headline stat here. Box to finished benchy in just 1 hour and 11 minutes, the fastest time I've recorded to date. There's real personality in the design too. Even the included waste bin model is a tiny replica of the printer itself, which reflects a design philosophy focused on making the whole experience enjoyable, not just functional. Elegoo's custom version of the Orca slicer strikes a nice balance between a streamlined interface for beginners and deeper options if you go looking for them, and a recent update added direct integration with Elegoo's own NextPrint model site, making it easy to pull projects straight into the slicer. The mobile app has a clearly visible pause button too, a small detail but genuinely reassuring during long prints if something starts to look off. Number 2 is the Keedy Q2. This is a fully enclosed, heated chamber printer capable of handling a wide range of materials, including engineering-grade filaments that a lot of budget machines simply can't touch. Advanced automatic leveling means it can print right out of the box with zero tuning required, though getting truly optimal results may still take some fine-tuning on your end. The large color display walks you through setup step by step, which makes the Q2 an excellent choice even for people brand new to 3D printing, despite its more advanced capabilities under the hood. Active chamber heating helps prevent warping, which matters a lot with trickier materials, and Keedy's included slicer software is genuinely useful for tweaking out print issues like Z-banding. The combination of near-zero setup friction, genuine material versatility, and room to grow into more advanced tuning is what pushes this into our number 2 spot. It's a printer you can start with as a beginner and keep using as your skills improve. Our number 1 pick is the Bamboo P2 SAMS Combo. It's the most user-friendly 3D printer I tested. Setup is nearly effortless, with reliable performance, automatic failure detection, and seamless integration with Bamboo's RFID-enabled filament system. The Bamboo Handy app lets you start prints remotely through MakerWorld, making the entire experience feel almost effortless. Its biggest drawback is the single-nozzle multicolor system, which increases print time and filament waste on complex multicolor models. It's also less forgiving with some third-party filament. But for anyone who wants the easiest, most reliable 3D printing experience available today, the Bamboo P2 SAMS Combo is the clear winner. Links to every printer are in the description. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.